आज Hare Krishna, ISKCON Bahrain welcomes all the devotees for this evening Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya program. Today is glorious day because every day is glorious because we are all in Krishna consciousness. So every day has to be considered to be glorious. And today, actually, we are going to start our fourth season of Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. Now we are completing almost 16 months. How 16 months flew, we don't know. So that many months we were in lockdown indirectly. So taking further for this evening's program to inaugurate this evening program, this fourth season of Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya, I'd request His Grace Brajanarayan Das Prabhuji to kindly come forward and bless all the devotees present here in this forum so that we can fulfill the desires of Guru and Gauranga and all the devotees and we can serve them in a better way. His Grace Brajanarayan Das Prabhuji, could you please come and bless us all? Brajanarayan Prabhuji?
Hare Krishna Prabhu, 1 second, he's coming. 1 second.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandat Pranam Prabhu, Hari Bol. Prabhuji, with all your blessings, yes, Prabhu, you are audible. With all your blessings, Prabhu, we successfully completed 3 seasons of this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. Today we are going to commence the 4th season, Prabhu. So we would like to have your blessings as always on all of us, so that we can progress in Krishna consciousness and fulfill the desires of Guru and Gauranga and all the devotees present here. Hare Krishna Prabhu, over to you. Kindly bless us, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
I am really, it is honored actually. I don't know, it isn't whether it is a bit or not, but with the Krishna's mercy, and we have to follow that one. That's that mercy. Okay, Hare Krishna. I now bless the management team, the Bhajan Sandhya team under the temple management successfully completed 3 sessions of Bhajan Sandhya. Now they are entering the 4th session, and now successfully they completed, very nicely they completed, very appreciably they completed, and now they are going to 4th Sandhya. And all the participants and the management team and Bhajan Sandhya team, I have to bless all of them through. Ranganatha is there behind me, and he is blessing, not me. He is blessing. Now I am conveying his blessings to all of you. Satmanam bhavati shatayush purusha satendriye ayush sevendriye pratitishthati rochamano svabhamano svabhamana kalyanaha ayam shyamasthairya vibhava ayurarogya aishwarya siddhirastu sakala manoratha mancha pala siddhirastu bhajan sankhya sakala bhajan sandhya Bhajan Sandhya Sarvesham Vijay Siddhirastu Sakala Manoratha Mancha Pala Siddhirastu Radha Krishna Bhakti Siddhirastu mainly. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. We are very.
Venkateswar Govinda Das Prabhu ki.
No, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, no, Prabhu. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Gurudev ki jai, Prabhu. The whole Bhajan Sandhya team ki jai, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, thank you very much, Prabhuji. In a short notice, you can come and wholeheartedly blessed all of us. For sure, it's a victory flag for us. The program will be successful. We also could hear the divine voice of Mataji also from backside. Thank you for that also. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Now, we'll continue with our evening program, this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. Hare Krishna, Mataji, Dandat Pranam, Hare Krishna.
It is a nice program. It has come through the minds of temple management and your Bhajan Sandhya team. Very nice program. It has
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very much, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Dandat Pranam to one and all present here in this forum. I really appreciate your support for this program. I know because the essence is already been given, the philosophy is already been given in a very powerful Hindi classes every week. And today it was a very wonderful sloka, Paritranaya Sadhunam, very important sloka for all of us to know. And this evening we have our anchor, Bhaktin Namamrita, going to take us through the program, the full duration of this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya program. Many of them know Namamrita very well, how efficient and how talented she is from her childhood. And she's a great Kirtaniya, very matured devotee at this age. In fact, I'm nowhere even now against what they have achieved in their life in Bhakti. She's a great Kirtaniya. She makes garland. She's a wonderful, anchor. She's also an anchor. Last week she was also singing bhajan. This week she's taken up this role. They're all multi-talented kids grown up in Balram Desh, and it is all possible only in Balram Desh. जिसको भी जो भी सीखना है, भक्ति के बारे में सीखना है, जितना ले सकते हैं वो सिर्फ बलराम देश में ही मिल सकता है, बाकी कहीं पे नहीं मिल सकता है। ये प्रीचिंग चाहे कुछ भी है, सीखना है भक्ति का, बलराम देश है। तो प्लीज़ सभी से निवेदन है कि जितना हो सके उतना सभी लोग चेष्टा करके भक्ति को आगे लेना है अपने जीवन में, क्योंकि इसके बगैर हमारे जीवन में और कुछ नहीं है। काम कर्ज तो चलता ही रहेगा जिंदगी भर, काला बाल जो है सफ़ेद होता जाएगा, वो सब चलता रहेगा, क्योंकि हम लोग शरीर धारे हुए हैं। तो मतलब हम लोगों का जो असली जो रूप है, स्वरूप जो है हम लोगों का, उसको प्राप्त करना है कि हम लोग भगवान के सेवक के सेवक के सेवक के सेवक हैं, हम लोग दास हैं। तो मैं आज शाम को नामामृता जी को मैं विनती करता हूं कि आगे बढ़ें। सो नामामृता, ओवर टू यू। फोर्थ सीजन opens today. Hare Krishna. Dandatnam.
Prabhuji, am I audible, Prabhuji?
Yeah, you're audible. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, His Grace Venkateshwara Govindas Prabhuji, for your kind words of blessings. And as you truly re-emphasized, it's only because of the mercy of the devotees of Balram Desh. Hare Krishna. Firstly, we extend a very warm welcome to all the Vaishnavas assembled here for this wonderful evening of Bhajan Sandhya. So we would like to begin with the invocation prayer, seeking the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurun Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Namam Vishnupadhaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin iti namine Namaste Saraswati Devai Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadhi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabho Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Hare Krishna. So once again, we welcome all the Vaishnavas assembled here for this evening of the Bhajan Sandhya. Today, as Venkateshwara Govindas Prabhuji said, we are very happy to start off the season 4. As a beginning of this wonderful season, our Bhajan Sandhya family for the evening is His Grace Balaji Purushottam Das Prabhuji and family. And Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Krishna Rasika, we welcome you all. And as our exalted narrator for the evening is His Grace Dinanath Giridhari Das Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, welcome to the Bhajan Sandhya. We would like to Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So the first bhajan that we all will be hearing is Mama Mana Mandire, written by Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. A few words about the exalted Parampara Acharya, Srila Sachidananda Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur appeared in 1838 in a very wealthy family in Navadvip. And he was a Mahabhagavat who lived most of his life in the Grihastha ashram, except the last few years when he adopted for the sannyas. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur was holding a very responsible government position in the rule of the Muslim era. Still, he practiced bhakti in a very rigorous manner, and his teachings have been made, the sacred teachings of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, fully available to the modern reader. We owe and we have to be very grateful to Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur as our Acharya for giving us more than 100 authorized spiritual books. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has many major achievements in his bhakti, which include Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur finding out the appearance place of Mahaprabhu. Also, he introduced many preaching innovations. And it was Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur who very boldly proclaimed that a personality soon will appear and travel all over the world to spread the teachings of Lord Chaitanya, who is none other than our A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So we are very honored to hear the bhajans of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. The first bhajan is Mama Mana Mandire. I would like to invite His Grace Dinanath Giridhari Prabhuji for taking us through the narrations. His Grace
Hare
Dinanath
Krishna.
Giridhari Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Hare Krishna. So today first bhajan is Mana, compiled by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written more than 256 bhajans. So today we are going to take two bhajans. First bhajan will be Mana Mana Mandire. Actually, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written this bhajan Mana Mana Mandire. Actually, the official name of this song is In the Temple of My Heart. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has offered devotion, love, flower, garlands, and sandalwood to Krishna. In the Lord, Lord Krishna, the Lord who is so humble and magnanimous. Tears keep on flowing from his eye due to separation from Sri Krishna. Hence, by glorifying and singing kirtans of Krishna, he will always remember the Lord who lifted Govardhana hill. So there are 6 steps of this bhajan. So I will explain. Mana Mana Mandire Raha Nisidin Krishna Murari Sri Krishna Murari. The meaning of this line is, please abide in the temple of my heart both day and night. O Krishna Murari, O Sri Krishna Murari. Further he says, devotion, love, flower garlands and sandalwood, please accept. Oh, please accept them, delight of the heart. In the life or in the death, I worship you with these offerings, beautiful one. O enchanter of the heart, come, son of Nanda. And then, O son of Nanda, I will offer your Arti ceremony with the lamplight of my love. The waters of the Yamuna river cascade incessantly from my eyes in your separation. O holder of Govardhana hill, may I pass my life absorbed only in songs of your praise, O Krishna Murari, Sri Krishna Murari. So this is the bhava of bhajan of the Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So now we will have bhajan by His Grace Balaji Purushottam Prabhu and family. Hare Krishna, over to Balaji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for your narrations. As we all know, His Grace Dinanath Giridhari Prabhuji is a very humble devotee. Yet a few words of glorification for Prabhuji. Prabhuji is our temple committee member. He does temple pujari seva, and he is a very exalted camp preacher. He's been very instrumental in increasing the devotees, especially from the workman camp, by his nectarian and sweet Hindi classes, and have transformed and inspired many into their advancement in Krishna consciousness. And it even resulted in devotees accepting initiation and Diksha in this Krishna conscious moment. Once again, we would like to thank His Grace Dinanath Giridhari Prabhuji for the wonderful narrations.
Hare Krishna.
Now, I would like to introduce and welcome to you all the wonderful bhajans and their family for our evening. His Grace Balaji Purushottam Das Prabhuji, Her Grace Uttama Padmavati Devi Dasi Mataji, Bhaktin Radha Rasika, and Bhakta Veera Narsimha. His Grace Balaji Purushottam Das Prabhuji does the Abhishekam Seva. He's a very strong Tamil lead preacher. He does Pujari Seva. He purchases flowers for garlands for so many years, as far as we all can remember, for garland Seva. He is also pursuing his Bhakti Shastri degree. Her Grace Uttama Padmavati Devidasi Mataji is our temple committee member. She's a Tamil preacher. Mataji takes classes for the Tamil Bhakti Vriksha Matajis. She's an excellent cook. She assists in the garland preparations, prepare prasadam for all the devotees visiting. She coordinates for the Tamil festivals like Pongal. Mataji is also pursuing her Bhakti Shastri degree. Their wonderful son, Veera Narsimha, has been a devotee since childhood and actively takes part in the temple programs. Their wonderful daughter, Bhaktin Radha Rasika, is a very sweet Kirtanya. She offers online kirtans. She actively takes part in the youth classes, also attends the weekly Gaura Girls class. And she's been a very important part of the cultural programs as far as Jagannath Rath Yatra is concerned and everything. Takes part in dramas and coordinates. So we would like to welcome the Bhajan Sandhya family, and over to you to please take us into the bhajan. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I thank the temple management for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and also His Grace Venkateshwara Govindas Prabhuji and the entire Bhajan Sandhya team for giving us this wonderful opportunity, seeking the blessings of all devotees. Hare Krishna. Mama mana mandire Rahan Shivji Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Mama mana mandire Rahan Shivji Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Bhakti Priti Mana Chanda Bhakti Priti Mana Chanda Tumi Niyo Niyo Chittananda Tumi Niyo Niyo Chittananda Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Mama Mana Mandire Rahan Shivji Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Jivana Marana Tava Pujan Vedan Jivana Marana Tava Pujan Vedan Sundar Hai Manahari Sundar Hai Manahari Yashonanda Kumara Nanda Kumar Yashonanda Kumara Nanda Kumar Habe Prema Pradeepe Arati Tomar Habe Prema Pradeepe Arati Tomar Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Mama Mana Mandire Rahan Shivji Krishna Murari Shri Krishna Murari Nayana Jamuna Jare Aane Baar Nayana Jamuna Jare Aane Baar Tumhara Virat Giridhari तव भजती वाणी कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी मम मन मंदिरे राजश्री कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी मम मन मंदिरे राजश्री कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी मम मन मंदिरे राजश्री कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी
Hare Bol. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Radha Rasika, for the melodious Mama Mana Mandire. Hare Krishna. Now we move on to our next bhajan for the evening, which is Ohe Vaishnava Thakur, the song which glorifies the Vaishnavas and which begs them for their mercy, because it is only due to the mercy of the pure Vaishnavas that we will be able to make any progress in our spiritual advancement. I once again would like to request our narrator, His Vinayam Girit Haridas Prabhuji, to please take us through the translation of the next bhajan, Ohe Vaishnava Thakur. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur has written also this bhajan, and O Vaishnava Thakura. ये वैष्णव भजन जो लिखे हैं, ये द ऑफिशियल नेम ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग इज भजन लालसा। तो ये भजन का जो ऑफिशियल नेम है वो भजन लालसा है, और ये भजन उनके एक लिखा हुआ बुक शरणागति भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर उससे लिया गया है। द सॉन्ग इज टेकन फ्रॉम द बुक शरणागति भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर। एंड इस भजन का जो अभिप्राय है, मीनिंग है, भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर प्रे करते हैं किसको? प्योर डिवोटी को। भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर प्रेज टू द प्योर डिवोटी टू ब्लेस हिम, आशीर्वाद पाने के लिए, सो दैट ही कैन कंट्रोल हिज सेंसेस। तो इसलिए शुद्ध भक्तों से वो प्रे कर रहे हैं भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर इस भजन में कि वे अपने सेंसेस को, इंद्रियों को कंट्रोल कर सकें। ही प्रेज दैट ही शुड कंटिन्यू हैविंग फेथ इन हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र, और इसलिए वो प्रे कर रहे हैं कि उनको विश्वास हो हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र के ऊपर, और वो ये भी याचना करते हैं कि कृष्ण उनके हो जाएं, उनके रहें। और यह कैसे संभव है? दिस इज ओनली पॉसिबल बाय द मर्सी ऑफ ए प्योर वैष्णव। और यह तभी संभव है, कृष्ण हमको तभी मिलेंगे किसी शुद्ध भक्तों का, शुद्ध वैष्णवों का हमें कृपा मिलेगी। तो ये भजन का भाव है, एंड भजन का जो मीनिंग है, द ट्रांसलेशन है, ओ Venerable Vaishnava, O ocean of mercy, be merciful unto your servant. Give me the shade of your lotus feet and purify me. I hold on to your lotus feet. Teach me to control my 6 passions, rectify my 6 faults, bestow upon me the 6 qualities, and offer unto me the 6 kinds of holy association. I don't find the strength to carry on alone the Sankirtana of holy name of Hari. Please bless me by giving me just one drop of faith with which to obtain the great treasure of the holy name of Krishna. Krishna is yours. You have the power to give me him to me. I am simply your servant, running behind you, shouting Krishna, Krishna. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर शुद्ध वैष्णवों के प्रति भजन प्रे कर रहे हैं कि कृष्ण सिर्फ कैसे प्राप्त हो सकते हैं? बिना प्योर वैष्णवों के कृपा से प्राप्त नहीं हो सकते। इसलिए इस भजन का भाव में भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर प्योर वैष्णवों से के प्रति प्रे कर रहे हैं। तो अब हम देखेंगे भजन में क्या है। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for the wonderful explanation. And as you very rightly said, Krishna can be attained only by the mercy of the pure Vaishnava. So in this mood, we would like to once again invite our Bhajan Sandhya family and Radha Rasika to please take us through O Hey Vaishnava Thakur. Hare Krishna.
Ohe Vaishnava Thakura, Durara Shagara, Idha se Koruna Kori. Ohe Vaishnava Thakura, Durara Shagara, Idha se Koruna Kori. दिया पद छाया सुधे अमार तुम्हारा चरण दोरी दिया पद छाया सुधे अमार तुम्हारा चरण दोरी ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी छाया बेगा दोमी छाया दोसा सोजी छाया गुना देवता छाया बेगा दोमी छाया दोसा सोजी छाया गुना देवता छाया सत संग देवे अमर बगीचे संगे राते छाया सत संग देवे अमर बगीचे संगे राते ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी कृपा किया मार नहीं पाए बार हरि नाम संकीर्तन एका किया मार नहीं पाए बार हरि नाम संकीर्तन तुम्हें कृपा कोरी शुद्ध बिंदु दिया देव कृष्ण नाम गान तुम्हें कृपा कोरी शुद्ध बिंदु दिया देव कृष्ण नाम गान ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी कृष्ण ते तुम्हार कृष्ण जी ते पारो तुम्हारा शक्तिया छे कृष्ण से तुम्हार कृष्ण जी ते पारो तुम्हारा शक्तिया छे आमी तो कंगाल कृष्ण कृष्ण बोली दलितव पाछे पाछे आमी तो कंगाल कृष्ण कृष्ण बोली दलितव पाछे पाछे ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी दिया पद छाया सदे अमर तुम्हारा चरण दोरी दिया पद छाया सदे अमर तुम्हारा चरण दोरी ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुरा दयार सागरा इदाते करुणा कोरी हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Bhaktin Radha Rasika, for the very melodious bhajan. With a very simple kartal, it sounded the most melodious version of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, His Grace Balaji Purushottam Das Prabhuji, Jalki Suttam Padmavati Devi Das Mataji. Mataji, thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Now, I would like to request the Temple Vice Chairman, His Grace Mangaldas Prabhuji, to kindly bless us with a few words. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. So first of all, thanks to everyone who ever attended. And today was very special. We, in the beginning, actually, already Rajnarayan Prabhuji blessed all of us. So that itself, brought a lot of auspiciousness. However, I also thank Balaji Purushottam Prabhuji, Mataji, and our sweet kids, the daughters, for a nice singing and bhajan. Also narration by Dinanath Prabhu and Namamurta. You are anchoring, every one of you. All glories to you all glories to Srila Prabhupada. I pray for that you always be in the shelter of Shri Radha Bhairanishwar, Krishna Balram, Shri Gaurnitai, Narsimdev Bhagwan. So, and carry on happily, continue this devotional service and any other devotional service always for the pleasure of the Lord. Hare Krishna to you all. Thank you so much. Venkatesh, you should also come and say, because you have, when you say from your heart, it really matters. So Hare Krishna. Please speak for each one of them who have done a special service today. Hare Krishna, Venkatesh Prabhu. Please
Hare
bless.
Krishna Prabhu, Dandat Pranam Prabhuji. First of all, I should thank you for blessing us, for encouraging us every time, every moment with your smile. That itself gives a lot of energy to all of us present over here, because smile of devotee is something very exuberant for all of us. It energizes us. Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for accepting the seva and blessing all of us. Hare Krishna. Next I come to His Grace Dinanath Giridhari Prabhu. Lajawab narration, Prabhuji Dwara. It was excellent. Prabhuji mixed up the English and the Hindi also in the second bhajan. That was very wonderful, so that many will get benefited hearing that. Prabhuji even doesn't speak, he even smiles. That itself is, an happy moment for all of us. Dinanath Giridhari Prabhu, thank you very much for accepting this seva in a very short notice. Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for supporting the Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. Hare Krishna. We will be coming in rotation wise for every devotees present here in Balram Desh. So that it's all not to exhibit our talents. It's actually basically it's a seva for purifying ourselves. We take up these sevas. So that's very important. The mood is that the opportunity is what we receive is nothing but to purify ourselves and to bless others. Like Mangaldas Prabhuji blessed all of us, and Dinanath Giridhari Prabhuji is going to bless all of us now. Rajnarayan Prabhuji already blessed us and everyone. And also would thank His Grace Dinapavan Muraridas Prabhuji for this evening's wonderful class, a very important shloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita 4.8, Paritranaya Sadhunam. You gave a very insight meaning of the shloka, Prabhu, very well narrated, and it would have been surely touched the hearts of all the devotees present here. Hare Krishna. And coming to the anchor for this evening, Namamrita. Thank you very much. I know you were given the very shortest duration to prepare yourself for this role of narrator, but you are an expert by this time. So even maybe 10 minutes before also, if somebody gives you are going to be the anchor for this, you are prepared for that. It's all glories to you, your family, parents, and your brother Sudarshan. And Guru and Gauranga always bless you. Thank you very much for your seva this evening. And I come to the Bhajan Sandhya family, far away in Hid, but still connected to Sagaya and all other parts. Thanks to the Zoom media, who is being handled by Premimaya Gopesha Prabhu. Is handling multi roles today. He prepared the presentation also for this bhajans. He is the one behind the presentation, and also handling the media part. He's taken 2 avatars today. Thank you, Premimaya Gopesha Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Presentation by Divyangi only, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Divyangi from India. Hare Krishna. She's preparing, she's giving her exams as well as she has done this seva also. All glories, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Bhaktin, Radha Rishika, Balaji Prabhu, Uttama Padmavati Mataji, Thank you very much for gracing the occasion with your wonderful sweet bhajan. Thank you very much for that. Whole family is very blissful to always watch, because everyone is, smiling always. That's the real energy for all of us. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Rashika. You sang very well. Both the bhajans were short and sweet and well sung. Thank you very much for that. Prabhuji and Mataji, thank you for accepting the seva. Thank you very much. And the whole participants, the viewers here, we seek all your blessings so that we can every week bring in to you the mood and mission of our acharyas. Because Bhagavad Gita, there are 700 slokas. One cannot easily understand all those things in a very short time. But this capsule, that is these bhajans, actually have in storage of lot of preaching material in the short bhajan. It can melt our hearts, because it has been sung and written by our great acharyas with their full heart for all of us. Though they take a very sublime position, they call themselves many things, but they are not so. It's actually for our understanding that we should be so humble, and we'll have to take our spiritual life very seriously. That's very important. That's the underlining message for all of us. Bhajan, all songs and all will go on, but the message, what we take home, that's very important. From how in the class, many home take messages were given today. So those things actually should remain in our mind. Dinanath Prabhuji gave a wonderful narration of that and gave some important points for us. These are all the take-home messages. Apart from that, the bhajan is always there. We have to always relish the bhajans from within, because those are all the short messages for all of us, which is very powerful. Hare Krishna. So with that, we come to the end of this evening program, and I request the bhajan team to lead the Narsingha prayer for this evening, for the well-being of all the assembled devotees who are affected with COVID and who are suffering in some or the other way. So we seek the blessings and shelter of our Supreme Lord. He is the only shelter for all of us. We have to only surrender. That is only the intelligence. That is why the intelligence is given to the humans, is only for surrendership. So we have to completely surrender as we progress in bhakti. That is the checkpoint for all of us. The extent of surrendership we go, to that extent we get Krishna's love upon us. Hare Krishna. Over to you, Bhaktin Rasika. Bolo Shri Shri Vigna Vinashaka Nrsimha Dev Bhagwan ki jai. Bhaktaraj Prahlad Maharaj ki jai. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Gurudev ki jai. Over to you, Radha Rasika. Hare Krishna.
Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Hiranyakashipudakshaha Shiladamkanakalaye Ito Narasimha Parado Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Bali Narasimha Hridaye Narasimha Narasimha Madhin Sharanam Tapati Tava Kara Kamala Vare Nata Atudha Shringa Kalita Hiranyakashipu Danu Brinda Keshavadrita Narari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare Jaya Narasimha Dev Jaya Narasimha Dev Jaya Narasimha Deva Jaya Narasimha Dev Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev वीर्यं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्यो नमाम्यहं जय नरसिंहा श्री नरसिंहा जय जय श्री नरसिंहा जय प्रह्लादेशा जय पद्ममुखा जय पद्मवृंदा
बोलो श्री शिव विनाशक नरसिंह देव भगवान की,
जय
भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की,
जय
जगत गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद की, श्रील गुरुदेव की,
जय
पिताय सितनादेव गौर प्रेमानंदे।
हरि बोल
हरे कृष्णा।
His Grace Venkateswar Govindas Prabhu ki jai.
श्रील गुरुदेव की जय, समवेत भक्त वृंद
coordination.
की जय।
Nice coordination. Number one, the best.
Probably it's a completed teamwork, Prabhu. I am just coming forward only because the main hard work has been done behind me. It's a team of Rukmini Mataji heading us. Then we have Rasa Purnima Mataji, we have Shama Priya Gopika Mataji, and our stalwart Dayanidhi Sham Sundar Das Prabhuji behind me. They are pushing me to come forward. They are very, humble. So they don't.
You are symbolic representation of them, no? All of them. So all we are seeing. Nice. And
Hard work by them, Prabhu. Credit for me. Nine stuff, yeah. Hare Krishna. Prabhu, I would like to, since we have some moments, we always miss to take the feedback from the devotees who are hearing. So today we have our His Grace Sudarshana Janardhar Das Prabhuji attending this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. We all know he's a great Mahan Vaishnav. We'd like to hear a few words from Sudarshan Janardhan Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Sudarshan Janardhan Das Prabhuji, we would like to hear from you a few words about this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Also, Arindangri Prabhu is there.
Yeah, उनका लैपटॉप का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है प्रभु।
हरे प्रणाम हरि बोल राधे राधे। Prabhu, I am not eligible to speak about the Bhajan Sandhya, but I am enjoying that, which is my favorite song, O Vaishnava Dagura. So every day when I am going to sleep, before I listen that every night I am listening the song. But today the Rasa Rasika is singing very melodiously. I am felt out very nice, wonderful. All programs, Prabhu, I am very enjoyable, but I don't give any feedback. This I can say this way. I'm hardly say I am very enjoyable. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. I believe Arvindangiri Prabhuji's laptop is now set right, and he is there to give his feedback as well as the blessings and comments on this Vaishnava Bhajan Sandhya program. Arvindangiri Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam, and thank you so much once again for all the organizers. This is the one I'm really looking forward for every week. This is like an energy booster for the entire week. Once you get charged to all these bhajans, the message you get from bhajans, then it keeps us keep going for the rest of the 6 days. So it is an amazing program, Prabhuji. Really, it's an amazing program, and we also got to see so many talents, so many devotees who are singing, and not only singing, narrating, and explaining about the bhajans. So nice it is. So I think this Corona has given us opportunity for many devotees to come up. So I would like to thank all the organizers. It's a wonderful program. I think we should continue doing this even after Corona goes away.
Hari Bol Prabhu, Hare Krishna. We'll try, Prabhu. Hare Krishna Prabhu, for sure. Hare Krishna. Now, any one devotee would like to unmute and speak and comment on this program before we conclude. A request from the audience, any devotee who wishes to express their feelings. Yes, we can correct here some shortcomings and some feedback for all of us, so that we take it and fulfill your desires in the coming programs. It's basically a family-oriented program. It's an you can see here many families come together. It's not like a presentation that we all are making. We are trying to, in this Corona situation, we are trying to help ourselves, each other. That is what Srila Prabhupada made this wonderful moment for all of us to relish the association of all devotees, with a deep meaning, deep understanding between each other, a coordination, and one point, Ekena Kru Nandana, what they call it as. So our focus is to be one solid family and serve the mission of Srila Prabhupada. That is what is the mood of this program, basically. So we are trying to find many devotees to this program. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Now, before we conclude, the last, devotee I would call as Her Grace Rukmini Priti Mataji. Hare Krishna. Actually, today's evening inauguration, the fourth session inauguration was supposed to be done by our team leader, Her Grace Rukmini Priti Mataji. But Mataji is always busy with some of the other seva. But Mataji somehow managed to appear now. So we request Mataji to, speak few words and bless the whole team so that the program goes smoothly as always. Hare Krishna, Rukmini Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavats pranams to all. And Prabhuji, you are taking very nicely, leading all of us very nicely. And all the best for the program. And we will do many things to make it more and more interesting. And as the devotees' wishes, we will do it, Prabhuji. Thanking all. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. On behalf of Bhajan Sandhya team, we sign off now. I request IB Media to kindly conclude the program. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha, Kripa Sindhubhyaeva, Patitanam Pavanebhyo, Vaishnavebhyo, Namo Namaha. Ananda Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai.